Hey everyone, we're going through some hard times right now. More than ever, it is important to show acts of kindness to one another and to yourself. Why? Because kindness isn't canceled. I'm thrilled to partner with Visible Mobile to help some of you that have been impacted by COVID-19. We're working together to promote visible acts of kindness. You see, for me, my love language is food and cooking and serving people. I believe in the power of food to express love and kindness and to bring people together. So even though my restaurant doors are closed right now, my small team is safely working together to feed some of the brave people on the front line in New Orleans. One warm meal that may bring a smile or some hope to a first responder is what we're trying to do. If you've shown acts of kindness or an act of kindness has been shown to you, no matter how big or small, please share your stories in my comments. Stay safe and healthy, my friends, and remember to be kind, because that is how we come together, even though we're apart.